Hello everybody and welcome back. Today I have two DIYs prepared for you. I'll be creating two glamorous centerpieces using things that you already have around your home. So if you are interested in seeing what I have created today, just keep on watching. For my first DIY, I'll be starting off with this old rice container, and I'm just going to use my craft knife to remove the flaps. Next, I'll be using this glitter pink vinyl paper that I picked up from Dollar Tree. So right here, I'm just showing you the method I'm using to wrap up my project. Right now I'm just cutting out the corners so that I can fold over the paper nice and neatly. I'm going to be using this beaded gold ribbon, and it is from Dollar Tree. And I'm just going to cut them into strips. So right here you just see me laying out a pattern to see if it will look nice. And so yeah, then after I'm done doing that and I'm happy with the pattern, I'm going to go back in with my hot glue gun. Now I'm going to be using these giant gold confetti that I picked up after season at my local craft store. And here's what it looks like. I really do love it. What do you guys think? For our next DIY, I'm just going to use this old toy box packaging, and I'm going to use the same procedure that I used in the first DIY. This paper is actually the backing to the glittered paper that I picked up from Dollar Tree. Right here you just see me using my hot glue gun to glue down the paper. Again, I'm just cutting the strips on the corner so that it's easy for me to fold down the paper. I'll be using this bling ribbon from Dollar Tree. Next, I'll be using this specialty glitter, and it is from Michaels. I'm going to be using these mirror jot stickers, and these are from Dollar Tree. I'll be using this specialty glitter from Michaels. Now guys, I do want to point out here that this is wax paper, so you need to put down a decent amount of the Mod Podge so that it doesn't shrink, and then you won't have any problems with your glitter placement. So yeah, just make sure you dab on a nice amount of Mod Podge here. So here's what it looks like. What do you guys think? Do you like this one better or the first DIY? Let me know down in the comments. Guys, that's That's all that I have for today. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this little video. If you have, don't forget to subscribe as well as hitting the notification button, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys.